actually write down my goals and plan things efficiently. And another thing is having a more personalized learning. Like, yes, we do have personalized learning and we work at our own pace, but it's also important to incorporate stuff like our culture, our background, what we need for the future, and what we can use for further education.
My name is Anthony Martinez, sophomore at Evolutions High School. My learning experience should be changed by a lot, because I'm a hands-on learner. I like to experience whatever I'm going to be learning. If I have to do science, for example, if I'm in science class or chemistry, whatever, if I'm in there and I have to do a lot, I don't like studying and sitting there behind a computer learning about what the hell I got to do. I like sitting there and actually doing the lab myself, hands-on. I like the experience. I like to, do something wrong and I get taught how not to do that thing, and I learn from my past mistakes. I want to be able to learn from that hands-on. I want to see what I'm doing, feel it, and experience it the best way possible. I want interviews, internships, help around my school. I want to have a voice in everything I do, and that's the type of learning experience that I would want as a student.
My junior high school was more school activities, more better materials, better environment. I want more art around the school. I want more color. I want more positive vibes. Academic-wise, I think we should work more in groups. And we have a pretty good relationship with our teachers, but I feel like as a community, I feel like we should all come together. Even we should mix grades sometimes, because we could learn something from the seniors and we could learn something from the freshmen. And I feel like we could work together on what the students want to learn while still meeting the criteria of what we need to be as a school.
Alright, so we really need a school that could be, like us, students could be self-directed and just do the things that we need to do by ourselves. I know that we need to be pushed, but by yourself, we need to know when to do the things, how to do it, because it's our future, the school. But the school can provide that for us. Another thing that we need is hands-on projects and materials, because students can get bored if they just be reading all the time, just do papers. But if you do hands-on project, they will enjoy going to classes. And last thing I could ask for is teachers that could be more trained for teaching English, because I don't think they're really prepared for that. Teachers who really know English and they could know how to provide that English to you. Can be really helpful.
If I could redesign my high school experience, I would like my teachers to start teaching us the skills of being self-directive and sticking to the goals and deadlines that we set. I would also like personalized learning, more that we can choose more what we can learn and put it to what we really want to learn in the background of our culture. Also, I would like to make more internships and really put what we learn and connect it to the real world.
Part of our vision at Evolutions High School is creating an authentic learning experience for all of our students. An experience where they're in classrooms, but the knowledge and the projects that they're working on apply to the world that they see outside. They're able to take what they're doing, take what they're learning, take the skills that they're building, and they're able to reimagine this world as a place where they have voice and where they have a choice in how things are run. And my hope and my desire is that we are able to create a more equitable and enthusiastic and joyful and empowering experience for each one of our kiddos here at Evolution.
So Mr. Riley asked me today to talk about what I would do if I was redesigning high school. The first thing I think about in my high school experience, I should have had 3 times as many electives and half or less as many core courses. Things that I choose to be involved in, I'm going to do better at. Okay? I wish that I had a finance course. I wish that I had a life skills course. Instead, I was trying to learn calculus, which I wasn't interested in and I haven't used. I think we have an amazing opportunity with these young people tap into their needs and their wants, and use that as a springboard to push education into the 21st century.
Hi, I'm Carlos Cruz, the art teacher at Evolutions High School, and I think that with a new school, given the chance to use XQ to build our perfect school, we would have a school where students would be able to take their learning to the next level. I envision science rooms that have actual plants in them, and a greenhouse. I envision an art room that can go outside and draw in nature, applying mathematics to science, and maybe having technology, robotics, engineering, computer labs. I want to make this school where kids come to it and see the real-world application to everything that they learn inside school. That way when they leave, they actually see the application and they're already ready for a career and college at that point too.
Hello, my name is Ethan Hanzopoulos, and my ideas of redesigning schools would definitely be student choice. I'd love my students to help drive the curriculum and also offer more elective classes that our students may be interested in.